Hey guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Vinyl TV. If you are new to this channel and if you are, please consider subscribing. I will appreciate it. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. This is HP Officejet Pro. This printer is multifunctional printer. I'm going to show you step by step how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network. Before we do that, I'm going to give you an overview of this printer, okay? And for us to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network, this printer is for office work, for student work. It's very compact, very economical and affordable and efficient. We connected this printer, okay, using USB cable. And also what I want to show you is basically the information. This printer, you got up to extra 1 year guarantee. The function is print, copy, scan, and fax. Printing speed is up to 22 print per minute for black and up to 18 print for color. Okay, you create editable, searchable document with shortcut. Paper handling capacity up to 250 sheet input tray and 60 sheet output tray. Up to 3 years HP warranty, and is using ink cartridges HP 963, HP ink 963. This is for smart business gear, increase your productivity, full features, all-round productivity gear. Now I'm going to turn this print around. At the back is the power cable. 3-pin power cable is included in the packaging. This sticker here is for the serial number in case if you need to contact HP Office for anything. Just above the power cables, just above the power cable is the USB cable spot. This is the USB cable, what it looks like. We have this at Vinetech store, free delivery here. Unfortunately, USB cable is not included in the packaging, so this is what it looks like. USB cable is universal. Canon can use it, HP can use it, Brothers can use it, various printer can use it. It goes in here, and this flat end goes to the back of your PC. Just above the USB cable spot as well, just beside it, you see 2 spots is for broadband. Bear in mind, you can fax with this printer, so you need to connect it to telephone line and broadband line to be able to fax with this gear. This is LCD screen. Excuse me, this is ADF, automatic document feeder. ADF, the essence of ADF is you scan, copy multiple pages of documents in one go. Okay, I'm going to turn this print around. This is the LCD screen, okay, and you switch this printer on and off from right here. This blue light that is flashing signifies that this printer is not yet connected to Wi-Fi network. To open up this printer, here is the scanner, flatbed scanner. Load your documents you want to copy or scan on top of the scanner and select the function from LCD screen. Now close this and open up this printer this way. Once you open it up, the ink cartridge holder will come right in the middle. It does this automatically for you to change it. Check my video how we install the ink. Like I mentioned, it's using ink cartridge 963 or 963 extra large. Okay, if you have any paper jam, this is where to check for any paper jam and debris right here. You can also make sure you close it. Once you check the paper jam, if you don't see anything, you can also close this printer this way. Okay, the next thing you need to do is open up this printer, okay, the paper tray, and bring out the paper tray completely. Once you bring it out completely, the next thing you can do is leave this printer this way, okay, and check for any paper jam and debris right here. Right, so this is the option. Check it inside and out and right here for the paper jam and gently remove it. Now I'm going to bring the paper tray back. I want to mention we have A4 paper right here is what we loaded. Check my video how we loaded. If you want to extend this printer, you need to press here, this button here, press this lever to extend this printer to particular paper you are using. In case, for instance, if you want to load paper, A4 paper, I mean what we have here is A4 paper. In case if you want to load 4x6 paper, photo paper, you just need to adjust this, okay, bring it inside completely and bring the paper you are using, load the particular paper you want to you are using like A4 paper, load it right here, then you go inside. Okay, you can see right now it's inside completely. Okay, then the same thing, use this cover to cover it up. Now what I want to do is for us to put the paper to the back. So put the paper to the back, go inside. Okay, it's in. Now what I want us to do is show you step by step how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network. Okay, for us to do connect this printer, I want us to do house check. What you need to do is basically make sure you switch off your mobile phone data, okay, and make sure your phone is connected to Wi-Fi network, okay, and your mobile phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is the first thing you need to do. Now this is the mobile phone. Okay, what we need to do is basically, first of all, go to Play Store. Okay, is what I want you to do. Just gonna bring the camera close so that you can see exactly what I'm doing. Now what I want us to do is basically go to Play Store, right, on your mobile device. Once you are in Play Store, the next thing we need to do is type HP Smart App. So type HP Smart App. I'm going to make sure you got all the information what I'm doing. So type HP Smart App. So Play Store, type HP Smart App. Okay, and HP Smart App is already downloaded on my phone. Okay, what we need to do is click it open. So download it on your mobile phone and click it open. So right now the app is opening up. You also need to make sure you have the information for your Wi-Fi network. I have the information here for my Wi-Fi details. Okay, right now what we need to do is, you can see, to start to use this printer, you can see plus sign. You can see a bell and the plus sign. Click on the plus sign. Once you click on the plus sign, it will ask you printer setup. Choose a type of printer to add to HP Smart App, or add a printer that is already set up. Okay, set up a new printer. So select the first option, set up a new printer, click get started. Once you click get started, the next thing you need to do is, how do you want to connect this printer? Okay, how do you want to connect this printer? Select connect the printer to Wi-Fi, to wireless network for the most flexibility. So select Wi-Fi. Okay, the next thing is click continue. Now this is how information I want us to make sure that the information, you could place the printer on the flat surface, then plug it in and power on. Connect your mobile device to Wi-Fi network. Turn on nearby device permission, location, precise location, and Bluetooth on your mobile device. Allow access when prompted. HP Smart App require this information to find and set up your printer. Your location is not being sent to HP. So once you agree to this terms and condition, click continue. Okay, right now it's adding the printer. You can see Officejet Pro 90110. This is 90110 series, but this printer, to be precise, is 9012E. So but it starts from 90110 series. Click on it. So the next thing we need to do, we need to put the password details. Like I mentioned earlier, I have the information here which I need to put right now. So just going to put the Wi-Fi network password. Okay, so once you put the information, make sure you check the information you put is correct. Click continue. Click continue. So turn on Bluetooth, click continue. Okay, right now allow HP to enable Bluetooth. Click allow. So right now it's connecting to Bluetooth. Okay, so right now it will start to find the printer. Okay, and right now it's telling us HP Smart App has found your printer. Okay, printer is found. The next thing is now is preparing the printer. Tap check mark on your printer display. So there's an app is attempting to set up this printer. Click allow. Okay, so the next thing is going to move from preparing the printer to obtaining IP address, and if IP address is correct, then it will connect and connected to BT. It's already connected here on the printer. Okay, so right now you need to wait for this to be completed. The app software is setting up your printer. Okay, and the steady blue lights on is here right now. Okay, here we go. Printer connected to Wi-Fi network. You can see. Click OK. Right now, thank you for choosing HP. Okay, you can see this printer right now is connected to Wi-Fi network, and the steady blue light is on right here. So this is the step-by-step how to connect this printer. You can see it will tell you printer connected to Wi-Fi network. So click continue. Now once you click on continue, it will be connecting to HP service. Okay, the next thing is just follow the instruction in terms of connecting to HP Plus, so that you can register your printer. So right now it's checking the printer status, but from here right now you can do a lot of stuff, but so you just need to follow the pattern, follow the instructions. So at the moment you're just checking the printer status is what it's doing, but right now this printer is connected to Wi-Fi network. Okay, so follow the instruction, allow. Okay, connect printing service, click allow. This is HP Plus, you can see. Now activate HP Plus for smart printing capability. What is saying here is print from anywhere, anytime, 24-hour printer security with remote monitoring, mobile scan, fast and sharing, get printing that balance the impact of printing page on forest. Okay, 6 months of ink included. So if you click continue, then you activate this service. It will take your detail, but I don't want to activate this because this is tutorial, so do not activate HP Plus. It's asking us, are you sure? Yes, decline HP Plus. Okay, now the next thing is printer dynamic security. Click continue. Okay, click continue. Right now it's registering the printer. Welcome to HP account. Use your HP account to enroll in Instant Ink. Finish setup. So right now, just please wait. Okay, in terms of this printer automatically ship you ink for 2 months. No, do not activate delivery ink. Are you sure? Yes, skip the offer. I'm doing this because this is tutorial, but it's up to you to decide. Then in terms of printer update, click automatic update, click apply, so that this printer will update automatically. Here we go, setup complete. Let's print. So if you want to print a document right now, you just need to go ahead and print, but I want to skip printing page. Then if you want to share printer with other device, then you share the link, not right now. Here we go. So this printer is there right now. You can see once this is right now, this printer is set up. Okay, so if you want to scan the document and any other thing you want to do with this printer, then you go ahead and do that. But this is how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. I'm going to show you on my next video how to scan a document with this gear. Thank you very much and stay blessed. Thank you. I appreciate you. Thank you.